Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Jugbow collar not responding to remote. Battery, pairing and sync troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is charge the remote and collar. Turn off both the remote and the collar, then connect both devices to the charger using the original USB cable. Let them charge completely, then turn both devices back on and test the remote. Second one is make sure the collar is turned on. Press and hold the collar's power button for 2 to 3 seconds, then check if the LED indicator lights up. Turn on the remote as well, then press the beep or vibration button to test the collar. Third one is select the correct channel. Check which channel dog 1, dog 2 or dog 3 selected on the remote. Switch to the channel paired with your collar. Press a function button to see if the collar responds. Fourth one is repair the collar with the remote. Turn off both the collar and the remote, then turn the remote back on. Put the collar into pairing mode according to your model's instruction. Then press the pairing button on remote. Follow the pairing steps on the remote. Then wait until the collar successfully pairing. Test the beep, vibration and static functions. Fifth one is restart both devices. Turn off the remote, then turn off the collar. Wait up for about 30 seconds, then turn both devices back on. Test the connection. Thanks for watching.